So today is 5th of July. So today in the development part, I actually learned if you know that in my last video, the last concept which I talked about was the role based authentication. Okay, so today I learned about the authority. Means what is the difference between the role versus the authority? The role is actually a means group of people, and the authority is the permissions which are given to the authority, means the users. So for example, if you know that, I will show you the code. Okay, so what I have done, I have created an enum of the permission. It contains various permission which I have added as per our need. Then what we do secondly, we actually in the security web config, we add when we add the request matcher. For that request matcher, we add the has any authority or has authority. So what is there in that, we give this authority, miss this endpoint has an authority which should be for post view. Okay, so that's how we can do it. That is one means one method to implement it. The other method is that we can actually create an mapping that the user should have access for this many this user should have, if there is an user, he has permission for this many operations. Then if there is an admin has access to this. So I have implemented that also. In the permission mapping, what I have done, I have created an map. Okay, so the map contains the user role and the set of permissions which I have shown you earlier. So what we have done, we have to created a map in that if that is an user, then the user can have this sort of permissions, for creator this, admin this, respectively. So created a method which will actually extract that permissions. Okay, and what I have done in the user, as we implement a get authority method. See, get authorities. So what I have done, I have called it over here. We actually take the roles which we have. For each role we take an role and check it whether it has the following permission, and get that permission, and then actually add in the means actually add in that set and return. Okay, so that's all about the authorities. And yesterday I forgot to speak about the concept which I have learned, that was the spring security exceptions. So for there are various means there are three exceptions. The first was the authentication related, second the JWT, and third the authorization. I have not yet touched the authorization one, but the JWT exception and authentication exception have many further classes as well. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.